If your affiliate marketing income stinks, I have a proven solution. Now you can make more money faster and easier in affiliate marketing. And if you are an affiliate marketing beginner or maybe thinking about getting into affiliate marketing, this is information you need too. It can help you have massive success. So stick with me till the end. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. And as you can see from the view out the window, it's a bluebird day. After a cold and snowy week, the sun is out in full force. I've been a full-time affiliate marketer for more than 20 years. It's my favorite way to make money online, not just for the income, but the time freedom that we enjoy too. For those new to the concept of affiliate marketing, this is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. When you learn to do affiliate marketing right, you can make a significant weekly income and create long-term passive income too, working a very minimal schedule. And because of affiliate marketing, I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. I love it. So there are really two key ingredients to making money affiliate marketing. First, you need to promote the right affiliate offer. And then secondly, you need to do it the right way. If your affiliate marketing income stinks, this is where to look. Picking the best offer to promote can be tough. There are a lot to choose from. In fact, there are affiliate offers for almost everything you can think of. So here are what I consider to be the key ingredients of the best affiliate marketing offer for you to promote. You want a high demand offer of top quality. Many of the offers on the affiliate networks are just not that good. Take your time choosing one. I really like affiliate programs with multiple income streams. That helps me leverage my time and marketing and make more money. Then look at how you will get paid. See, most affiliate marketing products pay small one-time commissions of only a few percent. If you choose to market one of them, you will have to sell a lot of stuff every day to make significant income. Most beginner affiliate marketers can't do that. And definitely market something that pays out recurring or passive income too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. Imagine what it will be like to get paid months from now for what you do today. That's what leads to serious income. And be sure you select something with excellent training, support, systems, and mentoring too. And then how you build the affiliate business is critical also. Be sure to build an email list and market to it rather than try to sell the affiliate product or service directly from an ad. The old rule is still true. On average, it takes 7 exposures to make a sale. If you try to sell direct, that's only 1 exposure. Plus, when you build and use an email list the right way, it opens up many more long-term possibilities. I've had my email list for decades. Many have been on the list for many years. My list is far and away my most valuable marketing asset. So let me make a specific recommendation for you. It is my #1 income stream and also the very best tools and training to build literally any affiliate marketing business. As for the income opportunity, it pays out an industry-leading 80% commissions. 80%. We market 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. That means you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. And the power of multiple income streams, 3 of the 4 products pay out passive income too. You can make money fast. Many make money their first day. You'll love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit, no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. And as for the affiliate marketing tools and training, they are the best I've seen. A great training website with dozens of how-to videos, live interactive training calls on Zoom daily and recorded if you can't be there live, and a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You'll love being part of our online community. It also comes with a powerful marketing system and simple to use funnel builder tool, so even beginner affiliate marketers can quickly and easily create their own powerful online content. Maybe best of all though, when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. I will show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day as an affiliate marketer. To learn more and to start making more money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.